Okay, hello everybody. Today I want to clean up my driveway. But before cleaning my driveway, I want to wash my house like this. All the dirt coming down after we do the driveway. Now, for start, I did it like this. Look, I put a bamboo and a stick over here with a hose, and I put a tape. Now you open the water, and like this. Look at that. And you wash the house how far away you are. Look at that. And the hose is rich. Look at this. Hey, Mubarak, que sais o saxofona, e como a zona, saxofona, saxofona, orixaria na pirina. Zizi, ovi, que pico, matoli, bum, saxofona. Hey, look at that. Hey, look at this. And you can wash all the way up. It's not too heavy, because the bamboo, it's not heavy. Now, today, what I do, I wash with a hose. But if somebody wants to see me wash with a power wash, next week or maybe this week, I'll show them the way it come out of this driveway. It come out brand new. But today, I want to do this first. I got the garage. And you wash the garage. Look at those. So dusty. And one time you wash the garage, you see this crack over here? And I do like this. Look at that. After you find little crack like that, and when you time you wash, you can make a little concrete and you fill it up with a little hole for the driveway. Look at the dirt. Look at that. And one time it is done, it's so beautiful, nice and clean. La 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 la. Okay. Now, one time I finished today my driveway, I want to do with the power wash. But I want to know, so the people you want to see me do with the power wash, please let me know. Okay, I see everybody. And one time I finish this, I go inside, nice glass of wine, and I say salute e cin cin to everybody, the Chef Pasquale. Cin cin. Salute. I wonder what.
Ah!